It was supposed to be our fresh start.
What is this?
It's a chance for you to make a fresh start.
You're offering me a job.
I'm offering you a fresh start.
Okay, that's Nancy. Here's a chance for a fresh start for you two.
Everything was okay.
So?
Well, I guess I just wanted a new world. I don't know, a fresh start.
Anywhere you can get a fresh start is going to be good. You ready?
We're willing to wipe the slate clean. Give you a fresh start.
All right, everyone, fresh start. We are gonna have a good day, which will turn into a good week, which will turn into a good year, which turns into a good life.
You and your family. Witness protection. Fresh start. We can get a fresh start. Make up for lost time.
I don't want a fresh start. I want to stay in surgery.
I can't see it. It just won't coalesce.
Maybe you need a fresh start.
You're right.
I didn't change my name to be deceptive. I just wanted a fresh start.
Fairview is not a fresh start for you.
You really think it's a good idea for you to move here?
Of course. It'll be a nice fresh start, plus I can be close to my dear friend.
It's a fresh start.
Are you sure?
We must talk. You need fresh start.
Oh, such a glare. As if I were on stage at the Gaiety.
My home was never in the real world. Never belonged. This could be a fresh start for me. Now make some new friends. I could be somebody. A winner.
Ow! I am very excited to make a new fresh start. We are all moving to best planet ever for to hiding. Our new home.